Welcome! Today, we're going to explore the giant number 2026 factorial. We'll build intuition for factorials, count how many trailing zeros it has, and estimate how many digits are in this enormous number. A factorial multiplies all whole numbers from 1 up to n. Here's a small multiplication chain to visualize the idea. First question: how many trailing zeros does 2026 factorial have? A trailing zero comes from a factor of 10. A 10 is 2 times 5. In factorials, factors of 2 are abundant, so the count of tens is really the count of fives. We use this formula: v5 of n factorial equals the sum of floors of n over 5 to the k. For n equals 2026, the terms are floor of 2026 over 5, floor of 2026 over 25, floor of 2026 over 125, and floor of 2026 over 625. Adding them up gives 505 trailing zeros. Here's a quick visual. 2 show up every other number, but 5 show up only every fifth number, so there are far more 2s than 5s. That is why the count of tens is limited by the number of 5s. Next question: how many digits are in 2026 factorial? The number of digits is 1 plus the floor of the base 10 logarithm of n factorial. We can estimate the logarithm using Stirling's approximation. Log base 10 of n factorial is approximately n times log base 10 of n over e plus 1/2 times log base 10 of 2 pi n. Plugging in n equals 2026, we get an estimate for the logarithm, and then the digit count. The result is 5,822 digits. We can also express the scale in scientific notation using the same approximation. 2026 factorial is about 2.650 times 10 to the power of 5,821. To build intuition, the Stirling curve y equals x times log base 10 of x over e plus 1/2 log base 10 of 2 pi x rises very quickly, so even moderate values of n give astronomically large factorials. Let's summarize. 1. 2026 factorial multiplies all whole numbers from 1 up to 2026. 2. It has 505 trailing zeros because of the number of 5s inside the product. 3. It has about 5,822 digits, which we found using Stirling's approximation. Factorials grow incredibly fast, and 2026 factorial is unimaginably large.